Pinnacle Sports is rated A+ by SBR. Click on their logo to find out why.
I'm your host, Natalie Rydstrom. Today I'm joined by Alex from BetArena Pro Analyst to take a look at a few key matchups taking place this weekend from a betting perspective. Alex, welcome to the show.
Hi, Nat.
Now, Sevilla and Real Madrid take the field Wednesday in La Liga. Real Madrid is coming off a controversial and maddening defeat at the hands of Barcelona. They look to get back on track with a win and are favoured to do just that. Bet365 has them at 1.5. Are these odds too short for your liking, or would you bet big?
To say it from the beginning, only for them is a controversial defeat and for their fans. But for a neutral person that watched the game was a clear loss, and especially that they received a penalty that wasn't. But anyway, coming back on this match, they will come to Sevilla to win. They will have a really hard match with Sevilla that is in a great shape, but they will win it after all, in my opinion. The odds are very little for Real Madrid to win, but I think that they will come to give it all their best, and they want to remain on the second place. The fight till the end in Primera División being incredibly hard, with only 1 point separating the first 3 places on the table.
Okay, so you see a clear winner here, Real Madrid. Are they going to win to 0, or can we see a goal from their opponents?
I'm seeing Real Madrid to score at least 3 goals in this match, but I see them also conceding at least 1 goal. So if it is, we can take over 3.5 goals in this match, but it's risky. The odd is only 2. So let's react on other predictions for this game.
Okay, would you combine both teams to score and the over 2.5 goals then for this match?
Yes, more or less. I am convinced that Sevilla will score also, because Real Madrid will push from the beginning, and that means that I will take also this choice in my thinking. But I see Real scoring in both halves at an odd of 1.9. I see Real scoring also on over 2.5 goals in the match at an odd of 2.2. So these odds are very interesting for me.
They certainly are. Now, what's your official tip then for this match?
Our main tip for this game is Real to win half-time, full-time at an odd of 2.2.
Okay, good odds there. Alex is from BetArena Pro Analyst. For more great daily tips, visit BetArena Pro Analyst on Facebook, or simply click on the link in the description below for their official website. Alex, thank you for joining us.
Thank you for the invitation, Nat.